tongue is flooding my grill with slime! The singing canyon has heard fear. You're not dragging me into that sandfall, then survive the mountain's final note! Get away from my ladder! Tongue is flooding my bumper with slime! Already smells your fear. I'm not becoming fertilizer today, then survive the river road. Get off my container! My slime tongue is blinding me! This canyon already knows your fear. Then survive the shattered road ahead. Get off my roof right now! My tongue is throwing slime across the forest! The ancient leaves already know your scent. You're not catching these giant tires, then survive the rolling seed ahead! Get off my roof! My tongue won't stay inside! This slime is covering my bumper! Get off my roof! Run faster, little dancer! This slimy tongue keeps hitting my windshield! You're not catching these heavy tires! The Misty terraces already know your fear. Get off my roof! Then survive the harvest road ahead! I'm losing traction! Welcome to Noodle Speed City! Hee you funny car, wait for me! Ha! Catch me if your noodle shoes can! Woohoo! Why is my tongue dripping all over the road? Because this forest has already tasted your fear. Then run faster before the grove closes in. Stay away from my pipe! My slime tongue keeps hitting my tow hook! Every magnet in this canyon points toward your fear. You're not stealing my towing rig, then survive the spinning stone below! Get off my roof! My slime tongue is getting everywhere! I can't stop! This swamp already knows your fear. Stay off my roof! Then outrun the roots below! I can't stop now! My slime tongue is making this worse! Something is chasing my roof! The desert wants your panic! Run faster if you can! Get off my cab! I can't hold this speed!